In this video, we're going to use Pythagoras to work out the distance between two coordinates. So we've got a coordinate grid here on the left, and we've been asked to work out the distance between points A and B. So these are the steps I'm going to follow. I'm going to make a right-angled triangle with AB as my hypotenuse. I'm going to work out the lengths of the two short sides and then use Pythagoras to work out the length of AB. So first I'm going to make my right-angled triangle. So I go along the horizontal and up the vertical, and there is my right angle triangle. Next, I'm going to count how long my two sides are. So let's go first along the horizontal side. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 along, and let's see how much we've gone up. 1, 2, 3. So there is my right angle triangle there. Now Pythagoras tells me that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Sub in the values I know. So c squared, which c is the hypotenuse, a and b are my two short sides, so I've got 7 squared plus 3 squared. Now I must do my squaring first, so 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49, plus 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, so I'm going to get here on my right hand side 58. Now I've got c squared equals 58, so c is equal to the square root of 58. So I use my calculator, and if I do the square root of 58, I'm going to get 7.61577 ... and then rounding that to 2 decimal places, I'm going to get 7.62. And that's my answer. The distance between A and B is 7.62.